these, which I am already telling you, there should be an equation for this photoelectric emission or not. Is it or not? Now we have learned about photoelectric effect. We have learned. Yes or no? Photoelectric emission will take place. That much you understood. Through a vacuum chamber. This is a vacuum chamber. Electrons are coming out slowly. Whenever it's
Yes, sir.
irradiated or kept inside sun rays, because sun rays are falling, only then that will happen. Because of sun
Okay,
rays,
yeah, yeah. You need the sun rays for this first.
sun rays should come and fall on this photosensitive metal.
Yes, sir.
Only then this can happen. Only then. Otherwise, remember, otherwise it cannot happen.
Wait,
Understand?
the formula is 1 E minus what?
No, no, it's not a formula, man. I didn't write any formula here.
Okay, 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 okay.
I will write the formula now. This is a galvanometer. Now, what should be the formula for this emission? There should be a formula. So, the incident energy, which is light, must have some energy. Is it or not? The incident energy must have some energy formula, which is given by
Half mv
Planck's.
square kinetic energy. Half
Huh?
mv square.
No,
Kinetic
not.
energy. You should consider kinetic energy here, though, right?
It is radiation energy. Just now I told you, it's radiation energy.
Yeah, but shouldn't you consider kinetic energy over here in like as well?
That's what. Kinetic energy cannot be half mv square because we don't know mass of photons. That formula we should not use. We should use only which
Right.
formula we
Yes,
should
we
use?
do. Mass of photon is 1.6
No, wrong, wrong.
into 10
Photons
power
don't
minus
have
27.
energy. Photons don't have mass. They have energy. Electrons have mass and
Oh,
energy both. You are telling
okay.
electrons. You're telling about electrons concept something. Electrons have mass also. Electrons have charge also. But
But
photons
mass
are, that's why.
given
Understand
over
what is a
here.
photon.
Oh, that's
Photon.
a proton. My bad. I thought. Okay, 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 okay.
Photon is simply E, which is equals
Okay.
to H
My
nu.
bad, sir. I got confused between a photon and a proton.
Not proton, photon.
Yes,
Photon,
yes.
photon, photon is different.
Yeah, I
Proton is
got it.
different. Proton is a positive particle held inside the nucleus. That's a totally different thing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got it. I got it.
Photon is an imaginary particle, which is not true actually. It's not really existing. Photon is an imaginary particle, which is proposed by Mr. Max Planck. And he said each energy of photon, En is En or N photons, energy is equal to H nu. He says that, okay, energy of photon is NH nu. Now I think there's no confusion. So incident energy is equal to, if I take H nu, it is the incident energy of what? Photon. Okay. That must be equal to, since the law of conservation of energy should hold good, so incident energy must convert into energy of electrons. Is it or not? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
That must be equal to, for that he gave a photoelectric equation. These electrons also get an energy equal to, see how I wrote this? H nu naught. H nu naught. This is called as the work function. I'll explain that. Plus some kinetic energy of electrons. Of electrons. What is this equation? So I'm writing that equation and I'll explain that. H nu is equal to, in fact, we should write W naught plus, some books will write like this, only W naught, plus kinetic energy of electrons. What is W naught? I will tell you. This
Just a
is
second.
called,
Wait. E is equal to h nu, and you can write that as h nu naught plus uh, what is it? Kinetic energy of
electrons.
electrons.
That's what I wrote. This H nu naught only I wrote a W naught.
Half mv square of E minus.
That's what I will tell you. Wait, no.
No, I'm just asking.
I am writing. Next line I will write, Vishal. I will write now. I'm telling very slowly so that you understand. This W
What is h
naught,
nu naught? What is nu naught over here?
not mu. I told you new.
Yeah, that's what I said. Nu naught.
Nu naught. That's what I will tell you. Wait. W naught, nu naught, all I will tell you. Did you understand till here? Now, what I will tell you now? What is that naught? I will tell you. Not why we are writing this not thing. I will tell you. I need some space here. Shall I rub this part so that I'll tell you?
Yes. Sure.
So what is this nu naught? And what is this W naught? They are given the subscript naught because they are threshold, threshold, threshold quantities. Threshold means minimum quantity. See this water bottle. Minimum this much water is there. Little smaller than that, very less water, or maybe one drop. That is the threshold water that can exist in this water bottle. Like that, threshold energy. This is threshold. Threshold is an English word. Threshold means either very high or very less. Okay, minima, maxima. Threshold energy. Threshold energy means here threshold means minimum. Understand that? Threshold means minimum. Okay, the minimum energy of the outcoming electron, outcoming electron. Photoelectron. Which electron? This electron got a new name. Photo, new name, a subscript it has got, photoelectron. So that is to depict this threshold thing, we are writing this naught. Understood now?
Yeah, got it.
What is this naught? You ask, no? Naught means to depict, to understand, because here see there is no naught. Here why this naught came then? Naught is telling, we can't write that, no, threshold free, threshold, we can't write here big very small letters or big letters, we can't write, or we have to write like this, H new subscript threshold, we have to write like that. So it will not be looking so good, and that much place we will not have. Is it or not? Understood? That is why we are giving another subscript naught here. That naught depicts threshold nature or a minimum energy of outcoming photoelectron. And what is this nu naught? Nu naught is the threshold frequency. Understood? Nu naught, nu means frequency. That much you know. Threshold frequency. Okay. H nu naught means this whole H nu naught is threshold energy. Only nu naught means threshold frequency. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So that only has a new name. H nu naught has been given a name W naught. So what is W naught? Is equal to H nu naught, which is the work function. New name. See, new name I'm giving here. Work function. What is that? Threshold energy. That's it. Nothing but the threshold energy. Work function is nothing but the threshold energy. Threshold energy. That's it. Understood? Threshold frequency, threshold energy. That only another name is work function. Is
What
it
is
clear?
H nu naught again? Threshold minimum.
Threshold energy. Threshold means name, I'm telling. You are not listening,
Okay.
I think. Threshold means minimum.
Got it.
English word. Threshold means minimum. Minimum energy. We don't use English words in physics. We use scientific words in physics. So minimum, instead of using that word minimum, we're writing threshold. Understood?
Threshold frequency.
Threshold energy. Can you read here what I wrote?
No, I can't.
See here, see.
Oh, that one. Okay. I thought that was something else.
Energy. Threshold energy. Okay. And what is this here? Read it.
Just a second. I'm just writing.
Threshold frequency means nu naught.
Yeah. And W naught is equal to
Work function. Work function. Work function. Work function is nothing else but threshold energy. Understood? Work function is another name. Another name to work function is threshold energy. Okay?
Got it.
Understood?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Only one small equation. Okay? So then the equation, let me write the equation. E is equals to H nu became W naught plus Ke. Okay. Huh? So that this, what is this energy, by the way? Tell me. This is the light, energy of light. Okay, is it clear? Energy of incident light. Is it clear? Incident, the light which came and fell into this photo chamber. Okay, incident.
Yeah. It's used for radiation, heat and light
That's,
energy.
yeah, that is incident. That's what I gave you the color also. Yellow color I showed you, no?
Yeah.
This is the energy of incident radiation, which is yellow colored thing. Okay, that clear?
Yes, sir.
Then what is this thing? This is not, that's why different colors I'm using. This is the energy. This is the, what is this? Electrons energy. Understood that? Electrons, minimum energy, that also. Which energy? Electrons,
Yeah,
minimum
because it's
energy.
threshold energy, it's minimum energy.
Yeah, that's what. Threshold, that's why I'm writing an electrons, threshold or
Threshold.
minimum energy.
Got
Okay.
it.
Is it understood, this thing?
Yeah.
What threshold or minimum anything? Actually, minimum word is not there in physics. Threshold only.
Yes, sir.
Threshold energy. What is this extra? Now you want 5 kg rice, but I gave you 5.5 kg, 5.5 kg I gave. Then extra that half kg is there for you, there with you. What will you do? You will keep it for saving, is it or not?
Excuse me,
Like
what?
I gave you 5 kg rice, man, rice.
Yeah, you give me 5 kg rice, yes.
You need 5 kg, I gave you 5.5 kg rice.
Yeah, I still have a half kg left
Extra half
after
kg
it.
is there. What will you do with that? Will you save it? No.
Yeah, you'll save it.
That saving is this kinetic energy.
Oh,
Understood?
okay.
It
Got
needs
it.
only h nu naught. The electron needs only h nu naught energy. If
A is
h
the extra energy. That is
see,
just,
see this,
yeah.
see this equation first. H nu is equal h nu naught. If h nu is equal h nu naught, no, electron is very happy. If h nu equals to h nu naught, electron is very happy because it has got the minimum energy to come out of the metal, photosensitive metal. Okay, this much understood
Yes,
or
sir.
not? See, h equal, cancel. So what is nu? Equal to nu naught. Understood this much?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now extra you have given, that extra will become kinetic energy. Understood that? More than the required you have given. It needs only h nu naught. You gave some extra energy. That extra energy will convert into its kinetic energy. Understood?
Yes, sir. Okay, got it.
That's what I wanted to tell. Now we will continue in the next class. So this equation is called as, wait a minute. This equation is called as Einstein's photoelectric equation. Photoelectric equation. Please write that.
Got it.
Okay, understood? This is
Yes.
very
Yeah,
important. Is it
got
clear?
it.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Bye.
Okay.